Hello, my dear kids, friends. Good morning to all of you. This is Suresh Bharadwaj with sound of consonants TH, TH words. Okay, dear. In this way, you may enrich your vocabulary. You may correct your pronunciation. Okay, dear. Let us start first. Consonant sound. Consonants. TH. Two letters here to be pronounced as TH. This is now sound symbol. Sound symbol it is. Sound symbol TH. Now two consonants here, and this is sound symbol. Sound symbol, and this is now pronounced as tha. TH. TH to be pronounced as tha. And the next TH, English is very funny. Here you may see one very good example. You may find here TH, the same letters. Okay, TH here, and this is your sound symbol, right? Sound symbol, and this TH is pronounced as the. Here you find, English is very funny, the same letters, or it is the property of English pronunciation. Okay, merit of, property of, okay, the feature of pronunciation. Here you see, you find two consonants right here, TH, pronounced as tha, and the same letters TH pronounced as the and the tha and the pronounced the same letters TH. Is it not funny language? It is not funny pronunciation. Funny pronunciation. The same letters. Okay. Somewhere it is pronounced as the, somewhere it is pronounced as tha. Let us enjoy. Thumb, angutha, thumb, thumb, angutha, thigh, thigh, jang, thread, thread. Now, dhaga, three, ten, thin, thin, dubra patra, thick, thick. So here mota ghana, throw, 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 fekna, tho, or and thorn, kata, thank, thank, dhanyavad, thief, chore, think, think. Now sochna. Here, dear, you find now word letter here starting with the words starting with the TH. TH starting with the TH pronounced as tha, right? TH starting with the TH pronounced as tha. Starting with. And next you may find bath, bath, snan, bath, path, rasta, cloth, cloth, cloth means kapda, path, rasta, earth, prithvi, teeth, daat, plural number, forth, fourth, and fourth means chautha, north, north, uttari, uttar, south, south, dakshid, and breath, breath, saas, strength, 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 takat, and growth, that is growth, badhottari. Here, dear, you find in these words. Now, every word ending with the th, ending with the th. Here starting with the th, here ending with the th, pronounced as tha. Wow, wow, yeah, this is now sound symbol tha, tha. Next, now group of words here, th, okay, th pronounced as da, sound symbol da, da. In Hindi, it is now pronounced as da. The, or the, okay. Vah, vahi, ya sarvottam, the, da. The, this, this, yah, that, wah, the, the, these, ye, those, वे, thus, does, इस प्रकार. Okay, dear, they, they, वे, and them, them, उनको, their, their, उनको, अपने, then, then, तब, then, की अपेक्षा. So here, dear, you find every word starting with the th means pronounced as da, pronounced as da. Okay, starting with the th, the sound. The produces the sound. Th pronounced as the. So here, dear, now we have told you earlier, English is very funny. Okay, so letters th remains the same, but the pronunciation of th different from each other. You have seen here. Somewhere th is pronounced as the, and somewhere in other words pronounced as tha. To, tha, th pronounced as tha, th pronounced as the. Here now pronunciation differs from each other. Okay, here wish you all the best and brightest. Thanks.